Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to eat your way to smoother, firmer, more youthful skin? Well, you're about to find out. Because believe it or not, there are real, natural foods, no expensive creams, no invasive treatments that can support your skin from the inside out. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collagen-rich foods and the powerful ways they can help reduce visible signs of aging. This isn't about quick fixes or trendy beauty hacks. This is food as your body's natural defense against time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, why it works, and how to use it to help your skin look younger, healthier, and more radiant. Let's get into it. Collagen is the protein that gives your skin its strength, stretch, and bounce. It's what helps your skin stay firm, smooth, and elastic. But here's the catch. As we age, especially after our mid-20s, our bodies start making less of it. Collagen production declines slowly and steadily, and that's when we start to notice the changes. Fine lines and wrinkles, sagging skin, thinner, drier texture. But instead of turning to harsh treatments or endless products, what if we could give our bodies exactly what they need to rebuild collagen naturally? The secret may already be in your kitchen. Let's explore the top collagen-rich and collagen-boosting foods that can help restore your skin's youthful glow, starting with one of the most powerful. Bowl with Spoon 1. Bone broth. If you've ever heard people rave about bone broth, there's a good reason. It's one of the purest natural sources of collagen you can consume. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering bones from chicken, beef, or fish for several hours, sometimes even a full day. This slow cooking process pulls the collagen out of the bones and turns it into a rich, nourishing broth that's packed with health benefits. When you drink bone broth, you're feeding your body ready-to-use collagen, along with amino acids like proline and glycine, which are essential for making more collagen in your body. That means fewer wrinkles, better skin elasticity, stronger hair, and even healthier nails. And it's easy to use. Drink it as a warm, comforting tea, or stir it into soups, stews, and sauces. Number 2. Salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, these aren't just heart healthy. They're also great for your skin. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for collagen production and deep skin hydration. Healthy fats help strengthen your skin's moisture barrier, the part that keeps it looking soft, full, and youthful. They also fight inflammation, which is a sneaky cause of premature aging. Eating fatty fish just 2 to 3 times a week can give your skin the boost it needs to stay smooth, vibrant, and well-nourished from within. Number 3. Chicken. Here's one that might surprise you. Chicken is naturally rich in collagen, especially in the connective tissue and skin. Every time you eat chicken, especially if it includes the skin or has been slow cooked, you're getting a natural dose of the same collagen your skin needs to stay firm and lifted. It also helps support your joints and cartilage, which is a big win for healthy aging overall. Best of all, chicken is incredibly versatile. Grill it, bake it, stew it. There are endless ways to add it to your meals. For bonus benefits, look for organic or free-range chicken, which may contain higher nutrient levels. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs might be one of the most underrated skin foods out there. Egg whites contain proline, a key amino acid your body uses to build collagen. And the yolks? They're loaded with vitamins A and D, both of which help stimulate your body's natural collagen production. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or even mixed into a smoothie. Eggs are an easy, affordable way to sneak collagen-boosting nutrients into your day. Next up, berries, leafy greens, and a few collagen-friendly surprises that are probably sitting in your fridge right now. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These vibrant greens are more than just a health trend, they're collagen boosters in disguise. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively. And that means your skin could lose its firmness and glow over time. But there's more. These greens also contain chlorophyll, the natural pigment that gives plants their color. Chlorophyll helps repair damaged skin cells, reduces inflammation, and may even protect your collagen from breaking down. The result? Brighter, more elastic, and youthful-looking skin. The best part? Leafy greens are incredibly easy to eat. Toss them into salads, blend them into a green smoothie, sauté them with garlic, or stir them into soups and stews. If your plate looks greener, your skin might just look younger. If you're learning something new or thinking, I should really try this, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more science-backed, natural health tips coming your way, and you don't want to miss them. Number 6. Citrus fruits. When you think of vitamin C, what comes to mind? Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are among the best sources out there. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, but here's something fascinating. It helps your body form two important amino acids, hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine, that give collagen its stability and strength. In other words, these fruits don't just help make collagen. They help make stronger, longer-lasting collagen. Try starting your day with a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. Add grapefruit slices to your breakfast, or simply squeeze lemon or lime into your water throughout the day. It's a tangy, refreshing way to support your skin from the inside out. Number 7. Avocados. Let's talk about a favorite, avocados. Creamy, delicious, and incredibly skin-friendly. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, the kind your skin loves. These fats help maintain skin hydration and elasticity, keeping it plump, smooth, and youthful. They're also a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative stress and may support the enzymes your body uses to build collagen. Want an easy upgrade to your diet? Spread avocado on toast, dice it into salads, or blend it into smoothies for a luscious, collagen-boosting treat. Number 8. Tomatoes. Next up, tomatoes and their secret weapon, lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps defend your skin from UV damage, a major cause of collagen breakdown. By protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays, lycopene indirectly preserves your existing collagen and supports new production. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin C, giving you a double dose of skin support. Slice them raw into salads, cook them into sauces, or snack on cherry tomatoes with a pinch of sea salt. However you enjoy them, tomatoes are a bright, delicious addition to your collagen-boosting toolbox. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic might not be the first food you think of when it comes to glowing skin, but this flavorful kitchen staple pulls more weight than you'd expect. Garlic contains sulfur, which your body needs to produce collagen. It also includes compounds like taurine and lipoic acid, both of which help protect collagen from damage and slow down its breakdown. A little garlic goes a long way. Toss minced garlic into soups, stews, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. Your taste buds and your skin will thank you. Number 10. Papaya. This tropical fruit isn't just refreshing, it's a collagen ally. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, but it also contains a unique enzyme called papain. Papain helps your body digest protein and may assist in breaking down old, damaged collagen so your body can build new, stronger fibers. Together, papain and vitamin C support better skin elasticity and may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Enjoy papaya fresh, blended into smoothies, or tossed into fruit salads for a tropical twist on skin nourishment. Number 11. Nuts and seeds. If you're looking for a satisfying snack that's also great for your skin, reach for a handful of nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and zinc, a combination that helps protect collagen and supports skin repair. Vitamin E in particular is known for fighting oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind aging skin. Sprinkle seeds over your yogurt, toss chopped nuts into salads, or snack on a small handful between meals. Your skin will glow, and so will your energy levels. Number 13. Red bell peppers. Don't forget about red bell peppers. They're one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and they also deliver a healthy dose of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A to promote smoother, more resilient skin. Add them raw to salads, grill them as a side dish, or slice them up for a crunchy snack. So what do all these foods have in common? They're rich in the nutrients your body needs to build, protect, and preserve collagen naturally. And while eating them once in a while helps, the real magic happens when you make them a consistent part of your lifestyle. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building a library of real, science-backed ways to support your skin, your health, and your future.